What? Great. Trying, not trying. Yeah. Is it Dada's finger? Okay, let's go.
Thank you. Hi, everyone.
Get up, probably talk on the phone. Talk.
We've been there.
Just got some food from She liked this. She liked this.
You're listening to the Love Below.
Wow, that's a great job, Nicki. Hola, bitch. Hola, hola, ¿qué pasa? Trying to get this wig together very fast so that I can go do content while baby girl is napping, you know? Using our time wisely. And to be honest, I'm not a fan of my outfit, so it's kind of like messing with my mood. But now that I did my face, I feel happy again.
Can y'all really feel us? East Coast feel us. West Coast feel. Say what? Dirty South. Here we go. Can y'all really feel it? Baby girl. East Coast feel. West Coast.
Boy, I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky. That's why you are my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know that one of these days we gon' hook it up, probably talk on the phone. But see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this secret from you. Hi guys! I told myself if I want to be a YouTuber, I have to start acting like it. So we're vlogging the whole day today. No, because you have my card. He asking me for the keys. He asking me for the wallet. I don't do either. Baby, you know that. So anyways, today's agenda is to... I actually have to test the audio real quick. Hold on. Yeah, so the wig can't be flying because I didn't lay it down. And you guys could just see my lace and everything.
Where are we going right now? Just take your picture?
Yeah, please.
No, man, where?
Oh, I don't know.
Like, what type of, like, background?
Anywhere. Like, I'm like, chill vibes. Oh my god, my feet is so ashy. I just feel like I should have laid down my wig because this shiznai is sliding. And it's windy. Yeah, so you see, like, that white wall. I want to try there first.
Preparing to ask a risky question.
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
We have to take the pictures on your phone, just like the vlog real quick. They appreciate you. They appreciate the sacrifice. So that I could pretend to be a food critic.
No, we're good. We're good. We ain't gonna do that. We're gonna be there.
Babe.
Like,
no, like literally, they're gonna bring us free appetizers.
Yeah, I don't care about little duck. My ass.
Oh my goodness. Oh, she's recording. She got the mic on.
Yeah, but you don't have to do all that though.
But I'm gonna do all that because I just told you I'm vlogging all day. Like, does he think this is a joke?
You start.
Zafa. Is it my goal? Is it your goal? Sometimes I'm good, and right now I'm not at night.
chef still hungry because I was not gonna eat their food dry, unseasoned, and I am not paying during this economy for whack bland food.
One of the worst burgers I've ever had before for them.
Like, I was not. From the appetizers, we got fried calamari.
The calamari, the fry thing they used was
The dough was like soggy. The calamari was soft. Like, it was just like not it. The oysters were disgusting. There was no flavor in all those sauces that they gave. Like, I'm not gonna pay for my meal. Take it off, take it back. Like, I don't want it. Thank you.
Like, that would have been $80, bro.
80 for what? You ready, Nini? You ready?
Frog.
That is a frog. You feel better that has B12. I'm done with you. Push. Push, push, you got it, you got it. Yeah, keep pushing. Yeah, Nini.
You want the top one or like both?
We can do both. Yeah, that'll be so cool.
Let me do this. Oh my god.
Ooh, with the touch screen. I love it. Oh, that is so crazy.
This, and I'll just split.
Wow, guys.
So that way you see
Insane.
if you feel like it's changing and it looks a little bit weird.
I take out 200 grand. Garlic bread with some.
They still look good.
Unless they called you asking if you want chicken on the pizza. No, I ordered chicken and peppers on the pizza.
Yeah, that looks great. Yeah, man.
We're gonna do the fresh.
They try to rip us off.
I thought they didn't hire us for some
Oh.
reason. It don't really matter. That's not
So we back from the grocery store. We still have Target skip to my loop, skip to my loop, skip to my loop, skip to my loop, my darling. She's chill. It's giving casual. It's giving trying, not trying. Yeah. This is a beautiful Saturday because it's a beautiful weekend, a Mother's Day weekend. I feel like my face is dry. Oh my god. Alrighty guys, we're redoing the intro because my face is looking so crazy, so crazy. But we got sunscreen on, so we look great. We're breaking out though. We're going to Delana's to get my mom's hair done. She's so excited. So am I. Mom would just take her to get her hair done by the best only. Okay guys, so we're all done. She loves it. Yeah, feeling herself as she should. But yeah, my girl did that. You know where to go. I can't wait till it's my turn. I can't wait till it's me again. in that chair. Alrighty guys, this is the final product. She looks so good.
Thank you. Hi everyone.
Yes sir. Hey, we're hungry, we're gonna go home now. Bye guys. This one? Yes, perfect. You're really concentrated. You did all my fingers? Oh, what about this one? You forgot this one. Thank you. You want to do Tata's finger? Okay, let's go. Anyways, I'm just really happy. My mom loved her hair. Absolutely loved it. And if you know, my mom's so picky. She always got something to say about something. But we made it through the appointment. But honestly, I love that hairstyle on her. She looks so much younger. And once again, my girl, Selena, nailed it. Period. You have to catch it. It's flying away. Oh, just finished eating my first meal of the day. Fed her second meal of the day. And now we're outside just enjoying life, But yeah, I feel like I have a headache. I think because it's so bright and I need coffee. That was a that wasn't even a bee. That was like the motherboard bumblebee type thing. But it's gone now, so that's good. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna spend some time with my daughter till it's nap time. Then we're gonna clean up, reset. I gotta wash my hair tonight because I'm gonna do like a temporary hairstyle for like a week. Worst headache of my life. Like all day because of these Invisalign trays. And he's getting boba right now, as he should. And I think it'll help. Fingers crossed.
I wanna say about this little sunshine in my life. She makes me wanna smile. The way that she moves across the room and makes everything easier to justify. That love we both feel.
Thank you for shopping with us.
Okay, so we leave tomorrow. And I did not pack yet. And I'm so tired. So tired. Drained, matter of fact. Okay? I filmed multiple pieces of content. Took out my hair, washed my hair, vlogged a little, and go to the gym.